Hey folks, Heath Wiley, Gear Up Broadband. We're here on part 4 of our Halo Infinite PC build. Oh man, it's been awesome. These first 3 parts have been crazy good. Thank you all for the comments. Thank you all for giving us the love. Thank you all for talking about some suggestions and what you'd like to see in it. Some of your guesses were really cool because once I mentioned no power supply yet and no cooler, some of y'all kind of got the point and figured out where I'm going with this. Since we knew we're doing a mini ITX build, we want to get a case that would fit your area and to be able to accommodate a 31.5 Ultra Gear monitor. Give you enough space to move around. You're going to get kind of crazy when you start gaming and getting your keyboard and mouse. And so we decided to do the next best thing. This is a company I really love. I love the way they do their product. The H1 from NZXT. This is the case we're going to be using. Built-in power supply, 650 watt. Built-in 140 water cooler from NZXT. So there you go. This is what we're going to build in. This is going to be the black version build, but we're going to do a little things to it that we think is going to make it look kind of special for Halo Infinite. But yeah, this is going to give you enough space for your graphic card. If you ever want to upgrade to like a 3080 or 3090, it accommodates a 3-slot card. It accommodates a 3-fan card. This is the upgraded version because in the past, NZXT had to pull this from market because of a PCI cable hazard issue with their screws they used in it. But this is the version 2 that's all been updated. Everything is kosher, good to go. So I have faith in NZXT because I've used their cases in many builds from their 710 down to their 510 series. They make great cases, sleek, very cool looking cases, and that B550 board with the 5600X and the 3060 Ti will get the cooling it needs and it will be quiet. So this is the case we're using. We're not going to actually show you the end product until we actually unveil the actual build. But we will be building in it as the black version. But when we show you the final build and it's done, we will have some special details into this case that we think makes it look really cool for Halo. So this is part 4. This is the build. We've got all of our parts. We've got the motherboard, we've got the case, we've got everything we need to put it together. So I'm Heath Wiley with Gear Up Broadband. Part 5 will be the build. We'll put it up, so how you enter will be at the end of this video, and just follow the links, what you need to do. But we do want you to be active on our social pages. We do want you to follow our Facebook page at facebook.com/IMC Bundle. It'll keep you updated with what's going on. We'll send pictures of our builds as we do them. Some screenshots that say, hey, our build's coming up. This is what we've done so far. Give you a little tidbit. And thank you all for tuning in. Thanks for being in our broadband community or gaming community. We love hearing your comments. We love talking to our folks on social. So I'm Heath Wiley with Jordan Hampton. We look forward to building this thing for you, and hopefully you win it.